Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to talk about Ask Wonder. Maybe you heard about it before, maybe this is your first time you are listening, but Ask Wonder is a website where you can do research for people and you can get paid. And the question is, can you really make money with it? Let's talk about it. In this video, I will tell you how it works, how much you can make from it, and what is good and what is not so good. And I will explain in simple words so you can follow along easily. Before we start, please check the description below. I have put all the official link for Ask Wonder and also some updated information if anything changes later. So go and check it out. So what is Ask Wonder? It is a platform where clients post research questions. When you work for Ask Wonder, you find the answers using the internet, official reports, and reliable sources. Then you write the answer and send it to the client. If they like it, you will get paid. Now in present time, Ask Wonder still works the same way, but now it has a better dashboard for researchers. You can see open requests, your payment history, and your ratings from clients. They also have some AI tools to help you to find the sources faster. But still, the real work is done by you, reading, searching, writing, or other work. Now, let's talk about money. Ask Wonder pays per request. If you are fast and good, you can take many requests, but remember, it's not like a full-time job unless you are very active. It's more like a side income. Some people make a few $100 per month, but some make less. So if you ask me, can you make money? The answer is yes, you can. But if you think you will get rich, then probably it's not. It's good if you like reading, searching, and learning about many topics, then it's good for you. But it is not good if you hate researching or if you want instant money. It also needs good English because you have to write clear answers. In this time, the platform is still trusted, still working, and is still paying, but it is competitive. Many people want to get requests, so sometimes you have to be quick to claim a job. So yeah, that is the Ask Wonder. You can make some money from it, you can learn a lot, but it's not a magic. You still need to work, you still need to focus, and you still need to deliver the quality answers. So that was the video for today. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, then please like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.